In this video, we are going to learn how to make a cloud vote. So I have a cloud vote over here, but never mind. We'll just put 1 for the sake of time later. Basically, I will play a series of Fs and then play a C at the end. So here are my two options, C and G. And we'll need some cloud variables over here, C and G as well. So the code for a sprite is like this. When the green flag is clicked, hide and wait until timer is greater than 1 show. Actually, you don't have to do this grid, but because of the project I'm doing, I have to add this grid. When this sprite is clicked, change C by 1 and broadcast results. When I receive results, hide. The code is same for the G. When this sprite is clicked, change G by 1, broadcast results, and when I receive results, hide. Now let's see the backdrop. The backdrop needs a few sprites. This one is the first sprite, this one is a question sprite, and this one will be the result sprite. Okay, I think so. So we name them turn and result. So when the green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to intro, wait until timer is greater than 1 for the sake of time, and we'll switch backdrop to question. But in my original project, it's supposed to be 31. When the green flag is clicked, hide cloud variable C, hide cloud variable G. And when I receive results, show cloud variable G, C, and G, and we'll switch backdrop to result. Now we have, what is the last node in the tube? Wait, anyway, we don't need that. And if we vote C, now it says 1 people choose C and 1 people choose G. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.